Welcome. My name is Brandy Joyce Dinkins. Today I'm going to discuss how teachers at Harmony implement lesson plans. My role as a math teacher at Harmony is face-to-face instruction and blended learning. I'm going to show you how my students use ALEX. ALEX is our primary digital learning tool for all math classes. It has been an online learning and assessment system for all core subjects. This tool helps the students work on topics that are ready to be learned. This always gives them the ability to complete any assignment and assessment 24/7. Access is not fully granted until students are fully enrolled in my class. So let's look at how I implement a math lesson plan into ALEX for students to participate. To get into ALEX, we have to log into our portal first. This is our portal right here. Because we have dealt with many issues last year, ALEX was removed and placed into Clever. So first things first, we're looking for our app Clever, and we're going to click to launch it. This is my page on Clever. And as you see in my favorites, I hearted McGraw-Hill, which is part of ALEX. I teach 3 different clusters. If you see Mathematics 3A, Mathematics 3B, Mathematics 3C. Now we're going to click on one of my classes. And we're going to take a look into ALEX. I'm going to view it through a student's view. When ALEX pop up, all assignments that I have created for my students to do can be found to the farthest left, and also it can be found at the bottom of the timeline. This timeline represents when the assignment was created. This was the first assignment that my scholars had to do, which I created September 27th. A second homework assignment was created on Friday, September 30th. To access this, all they have to do is click on the pencil icon. It'll tell you what the assignment is. It'll tell you when it's due and how many questions need to be done. Another way to get to my assignments, it will be bold here as I stated before, and all they will have to do is click continue. ALEX offers a lot of things for my students to do. We have assignments. Any worksheets that I create will be found in this area here. Grade book. The kids would know right then and there what their score was on their tests, homework, or daily activity. This is a report. So when kids are finished with a certain chapter in math, everything is color-coded to let them know what they mastered, what they need to work on, and what are they ready for. ALEX also lets you know how long you have spent online on a certain topic. We have our message center too. Anytime a student needs to reach out For further instructions, they can shoot me an email. It goes right into my Alex account. Alex offers support anytime a kid is having a problem. Follow me back to all assignments. If you look, our math is broken up into 12 different chapters. Assignment types, due dates, and the percentage on what a child has mastered or need to work on. So in conclusion, Alex is used every day in class, especially during blended learning. The first 45 minutes of my class is a face-to-face instruction. The second half, which is our blended learning, is spent on Alex. Alex offers a lot of different topics for all of my learners dealing with math. Remember, everything can be found on the 3 lines. My scholars can view their assignments, worksheets, instant grade to let them know how they did in the grade book, reports, and the message center. One of my favorites is everything is color-coded. Kids get familiar with what they're mastered, what they have learned, and what is remaining. All of our topics are broken up into sections, and they offer different topics within each. Thank you.